Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
MLA jongka Molai constituency uba proses ti sau kume haka kharwai tarik urisau arajar puar ula Pynïoh jingarap lingba ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund jong usnam arajar arpui arpuar kabakot hadu shipho laktingka nakabentaban siang du bilat ya Madan jongka Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong haka nikasi MLA ula IT ru ya ka wok ordar ka ba shipho laktingka sha principal jongka school Reverend Father Alistair S. Marwen ringkat ka jinsa kilang jong giway pat kipadar gihinoy kay bar kikna school nakaliang jong Father Alistair ula ay kublay yo MLA halor ka jing Pynïoh jingerap ya ka school nakabentaban pensna penbahay ka Madan ka bagi kena school ki juyeng ban pelong assembly mestem shoban rung sa ki kamra kelas.
On behalf of all the teachers and students, I would like to say once again thank you very much, sir, for this great gift to the school. And we ask you at this moment to cut this ribbon because it is your honor and it's also our honor. Can we go sit?
Nhặt so good. Come through our star student.
Then lakh rupees. It's not a small amount. So thank you so much. We really need your support in the coming future for the development of the school. Thank you so much for the assistance on your.
Kindness and love. Thank you so for all your guidance. With humble heart, we thank you, sir. Understand us as much as we could ever know. And you guide us in each step we take. Kindness and love. Thank you so for all your guidance. With humble heart, we thank you, sir.
Dear sire, you are indeed a tree laden with sweet fruits, with the works you have been doing right from 1995 that I could recollect since I joined this school. Up to now, sir, that time up to now, sir, there are times that I have to visit the houses of my students when one of their beloved expired. But sir, I met you all the time in those very houses, more often than not. Whenever I pass by through your residence come office at Maulai Nongkreng, I always see people throngs by your house. And I am fortunate to have been there along with some of my colleagues many times to come to you for your contribution to our school. I used to watch at peoples of Maulai, some of them, while waiting for you, sitting in despair, looking sad. But once they enter your room of solutions, I don't know, sir, what magic you weave, what solution you provide. Because after they come out, I could see their looks of hope and their gleaming face. That's what I observed, sir. But sir, of course, you do give us special entry whenever we come there and make other waits, as you don't want us teachers to miss our interaction with our students. Those were the few chances, sir, that I could observe. It's like patients queuing up in waiting for their doctor to diagnose their problems, sir. Personally, sir, it's your workmanship attitude that strikes me the most, and I have been your admirer for so long, silent admirer, sir. I don't know the exact formula of how you come up with to cater the needs and aspiration of this big Maulai constituency, the biggest constituency of our state. I salute you for that, sir. Thank you, sir, for all the praises and contribution you used to give to our school, just like this big assembly ground presented by you. You have contributed from time to time. Thank you for all those things, sir. And one thing, sir, I would like to assure you, the trust, the love that you have bestowed in our school with our young budding colleagues will try to live up to your expectation, like you used to say, sir, before, that this is the mother school and the pride of Maulai. Thank you so much, sir, for everything. And I hope with your victory in the next year pool will create history for the Pynïoh to rule by themselves. Otherwise, we are history. Great history, sir. Otherwise, we are history. Everyone knows that. May the Sacred Heart of Jesus bless you, sir, with good health and bless us all. Thank you, sir.
Terima kasih nama Second Boys High Secondary School. Kumpulan juga keluar dari Father Principal dari staff. Bagus siap cipo jadikan dalam pendapat Shnari Assembly Campus di School Jopi. Dalam pendiri mengenai sanction cipo nak tingkah ini sanction yang soal dengan Chief Minister. Namun construction is open. Except for them to believe in the year in the name for the principal in the president. Laborong for the principal, the long principal, a long architect, a long engineer. Everything is applied to himself. Is a master of all. He is very young principal and young. There is not a whatever. But it's been and born reaching don't come to when you don't come. Bagi this case, kita ada orang yang kuat mata. Apabila nak positif voice guys in this school. Skhim, kita kerja di Jombang. Nakalian macam pada principal dalam sebuah projek setiap di school ada football ground bonde pun tiba-tiba. So ini pada projek yang mana kalian juga ada visit last 9 August hari Wednesday. Nakalian macam principal macam Japanese high secondary school pada Anthony Kakmor dan baiknya kamu chief guest aku sini apa sini independent. Awal address yang program ini apa jauh betul basketball court jadi kalau nanti bahan hukum dan sudah namun cover kali ini lor. But very much impressed about the cover kali making by the Central school. Paling Skhim kajian dulu di school, anu tu ini mana boleh buat pada Skhim school dalam pembangunan ini. Kalau sekali main pada kerja terus. Pembujuk cover kali minta hati Central school. Ini setiap pemulai atau school, anu macam di school. Pasal exercise yang main high school pertama, kemudian strong pada high school asal. Saya ada beri cover kali Malaysia pemulai. Kemarin projek ni Skhim nakalian jemaah hakim dalam hikmat. Bagi Skhim kapsulan kedua jenjang nakalian director berjemaah observer jadi. Except mana dalam jenjang nakalian jemaah director. Saya kira di projek mana nakalian director adalah construct apa projek. Aku sendiri tu ingat adalah you got another 2 years extension. You got 8 years extension dalam Skhim. Nice name. By next year, I'm sure that with God wish, it's a 1 year movie. It's the year of the Soviet Union. I'm very infrastructure di jangka school. Bagi kemudian di lapor, maka nakalian jumlah mikmat belum responsible. I'm a responsible leader. Jika katula kalau overall interest dalam jemaah berakawai, pada kamta maupun dalam konstitusi berakawai. Pada jumat yang dilong di jemaah, iriasan postem kemudian pada ipai yang overall development jemaah, yang pakai katuka expectation dari kepada ipai pak community. Community ni cepat, sibun ke kemudian community jemaah, ipai pak jemaah ni berdekat dari UAC atau jemaah Northeast. Nagari Congress, nagari kita Assam, kita develop, beri kita develop. Kita jumpa dia kita develop, beri kita develop. Kata kerja tanggung nagari yang jawab. Bagi depan, bagi jalan jingir kita beri jalan beri kuat aborok kerja. Dalam cikgu dalam ini sendiri jumpa, ini sebuah syarat kongres janggu, bagi Skhim nagari jawab ini dalam orang dekat, pada listener dan berlangsung. Kalau sokongan borok di principal di Madan school, borok principal di Madan school, all the principal they have a dream. They have how to make Skhim one of the best institution and best infrastructure where the body can extend. Borok dia dalam menjadi pasti one year, dan impact itu boleh respond. Dan jika dalam dream, I have a dream to make one of the best institution, the best infrastructure that we can make here. Kata lagi kita jadi principal, boleh terkui pada principal. Kita orang dekat pada yang jemaah bersekolah. Isokan atau kor yang pada Anthony Kakmor dan atau kor yang berlayar ke bos, atau bos atau kor yang anak bos, yang bersiang oleh bos. Pada Palestina, mobil kardini. Pada big project pembangunan yang pada penilang borok, ini bersiang harus nama tuan. Ada yang sering jumlah, dengan jumlah yang sering jumlah. Ini projek ini khmat, disebut projek ini khmat untuk projek ini kondap. Apaan ada for the director also you don't have to worry. Next time we'll come back and do something for you. You have written. There's a small contribution. You expect a big one. That is a construction of some others that depend on us everything. Kata ada community kalau kita ada yang dirap sibun, pakai orang orang naso player, naso kita syaram. Jadi Christian ministry itu jadi Christian, jadi education jadi Christian missionary itu ni. Nak yang jadi doktor net, but mesti lokomotif dari education untuk jenah di Kerawang. Boleh sebut, boleh ini. Jadi kalau kita dapat di Kerawang, hari ini kalau kita bersekolah, orang mereka atau bagaimana?
Congratulations.